Congratulations on purchasing your new grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your Nexgrill 2-burner gas grill with griddle top, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of your grill's parts are accounted for. Note that you'll also need an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll begin by releasing the two leg clips found at the center of the main firebox assembly and lifting the legs to an upright position so we can install your grill's casters. To do so, insert the axle into the caster like so. Then place wheel caps on each side of the axle. After that, position the wheel at the top of the front leg and secure using one A screw, one B screw, and your adjustable wrench. Repeat these steps for the second wheel. Next, we'll attach the frame bottom panel to the legs by sliding the panel into place and securing with two C screws. After that, we'll attach the side handle. To do so, remove the four pre-assembled screws located on the right side of the firebox. Slide the handle into place over the vacant holes and reinstall the screws to secure. On the other side of the firebox, slide the side shelf into place and secure using one D screw. With the firebox assembled, we'll now carefully set the griddle on top, like so. Then hang the grease box on the rear side of the grill. After that, assemble the warming rack by weaving the rod piece through the grid, like so. Then angle the rack into place below the firebox. Next, place the cylinder hanger on the bottom left side of the cart and secure into place using one C screw. With your grill nearly assembled, now it's time to attach the liquid propane tank. Set your propane tank onto the cylinder hanger and affix the cylinder fixing to the top of the tank. Then carefully and firmly connect the gas line to your tank. Once connected, insert the included AA battery, negative end first, into the pulse igniter module on the front of the grill. And lastly, press the burner knobs into place. Your Nexgrill 2-burner gas grill with griddle top is now assembled and ready to go. Now get out there and grill something different.